Welcome back to Gender Quest channel. Which one lives in water? Fish, dog, eagle. Fish. What color is the sky on a clear day? Blue, green, yellow. Blue. Which animal says moo? A duck, a cat, a cow. A cow. What do you wear on your feet? Shoes, a hat, gloves. Shoes. What is the opposite of day? Sun, morning, night. Night. What shape is a ball? Square, circle, triangle. Circle. Which one has wheels? Boat, ship, bicycle. Bicycle. What flies in the sky and has wings? A bird, a fish, a tree. A bird. Which one is a source of light? Book, sun, stone. Sun. Which animal says meow? A dog, a cat, a duck. A cat. Which animal has a trunk? A cat, a horse, elephant. Elephant. Which one is a bird? Sparrow, butterfly, ant. Sparrow. Which is the odd one out? A pencil, cat, dog. A pencil. Which one is a fruit? A carrot, a potato, an apple. An apple. Which animal says woof? A bird, a dog, a cat. A dog.